Hi, this is Julie Taylor, and I'm going to do a book review on the book Pendragon, The Merchant of Death. This is written by DJ McHale, and this is a picture of him. And DJ has written several books and movies and even TV shows that we'd probably recognize. This book series was published between 2002 and 2009. It is considered a young adult science fiction novel, and the genre is modern fantasy. It is considered modern fantasy because it is created when something in the book cannot happen in the real world. It's about a 14-year-old American boy named Bobby Pendragon, and he's just living his normal life until his Uncle Press shows up at his house one day and tells him that people need his help. This book covers several different criteria of the modern fantasy genre because it discusses good and evil, which Bobby has to battle the evil Saint Dane. He is a shapeshifter, and he tries to conquer the people of each territory. It also covers the criteria of love and friendship. This book is a novel written in the first person with Bobby's handwritten journals that were sent back to his girlfriend, Courtney, and his loyal friend, Mark. It also alternates with third-person narrative characters as well. The criteria that it helps you find out who you are and your place in the world is definitely met by this book, because Bobby is often confronted by the villain to join the dark side, the evil side, and Bobby consistently refuses. It helps you also understand that life and the universe have rules, because he goes to different worlds and has to adapt to their culture and their lifestyle and their time. The criteria that modern fantasies need to envision the outlandish is definitely met when he travels to different worlds through enchanted flumes, and he goes through wormholes to 10 different territories and times throughout the universe. The first book, The Merchant of Death, is an excellent introduction to the entire series of 10 different books. Each book takes you to a different world and time. This book is considered a high fantasy because it takes place somewhere other than Earth. The themes are noble, the characters are heroic, and the deeds have a quest involved. It also fulfills the subcategories of interesting and unusual worlds, time warps, and science fiction. This is an excellent series that is action-packed, fast-paced, suspenseful, and has very well-crafted dialogue. I loved these books and enjoyed reading them with our sons. It gave us a lot to talk about as far as values and choosing the right, and great excitement and adventure. I hope you can find this book, The Merchant of Death, and if you're interested, pick up the entire series, because there's a big twist at the end of book 10. Enjoy it. I love them. Thanks.